In this video, we are going to make a beautiful moss pole alternative with very affordable things. This moss stick or moss pole is very easy to make and it doesn't take a lot of time, effort and money. Aerial roots of your plants are going to love the jute rope. You can also spray water in it and it will hold the moisture as well. I am going to show you the process and I will also tell you how to attach it to a plant. So, we are going to need 3 things: a bundle of jute rope and a 4-foot electrical wiring pipe and some glue. If you want to make smaller moss stick, you can choose 2.5 feet pipe. I am using a 4-foot pipe here. So, to start making it, we are first going to tie a knot on the lower part of the pipe. You need to leave some space that is going in the soil later. It should be around 8 to 10 inches or according to your pot size. Make a simple strong knot like this and start wrapping the rope around the pipe tightly. As you can see in this video, I am rotating the pipe, not the rope. You just need to hold the rope tightly and keep wrapping the rope. Do not leave the gaps and don't loosen the grip, it will loosen the whole rope. Press it from the upper side to downside to make it tight and firm. When you reach to the top of the pipe, apply some glue at the end of the pole so that the rope won't lose the grip. Slowly going up, insert the remaining rope inside the hole. If your rope is long, you can cut it accordingly and insert the end of the rope in the pipe. If you still see the hole in the pipe, you can cut some more rope and put it inside the pole so the pipe gets covered completely. Our beautiful moss pole is ready now and you can see how beautiful the jute rope looks. The jute rope blends with the plant so well, and against a white wall and green plants, it looks stunning. So let me know what you think about this moss stick in the comments, and in the next video, I will show you how to attach this moss pole with a plant. I will give support to my monstera plant with this pole. Make sure you subscribe to catch the next one and more houseplants care videos.